All right, so we're going to play a game on Kahoot. It's pretty much your assessment. Everybody else has their post-assessment. So if you guys out there that did not join the live video, you will have a post-assessment on Google Forms. But for you guys, we are going to play Kahoot. So I'm going to press the play button. You guys go into Kahoot.it. And you'll have a screen pop up that says enter code, and I'm going to pop up your code once you all get to that screen. So
you can even play on your phone.
If you want to play on your phone too, that's fine.
Oh. You may have to.
Let me know when you guys are all good to go.
Okay.
Madison, you're good. Zoe, you're good. Erin, you're good. Megan, are you good?
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right, here's your code. And we'll wait for you to sign in. Music's great. All right, Megan. All right. Here we go. You will have about 20 seconds for each question. There's 15 questions, so get prepared. In 1756 to 1763, what happened?
Okay, most of you got it right. So it was the Northwest Ordinance was occurring during that time.
It was the French and Indian War.
French and Indian War. Oh, I read that wrong. Okay, so one of you got it right. So, a little tricky question.
Yeah.
But,
okay,
next question. Maddie's
Maddie.
at the top.
I guessed.
No one identified just as this because of what? This was in our PowerPoint. Nobody specifically identified as this group of people. European, good job.
Yeah.
3 of you got that right.
You're getting the hang of it.
Maddie. All right. The Northwest Ordinance. And I'll give you some prompts.
So established a government called the Northwest Territory, gave land to the Native Americans in the Northeast, and created the Bill of Rights.
Which one is it? All right.
So it established a government called the Northwest Territory. So that's what you guys mostly learned about this week.
The Northwest Ordinance is one of the 3 most important documents in history. Is that true or false?
Ooh, everyone got it right. That is true.
All right, next question. How many states did a territory need to have under the Northwest Ordinance?
So 1 through 4, 5 through 8, or 3 to 5.
Nice.
You all remembered that from the guided notes. Great job.
Man, you're killing it.
What state is not part of the Northwest Territory? So think back to your math activities. Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, Pennsylvania. All
right. Michigan is part of the Northwest Territory. So Pennsylvania was not, however.
Who became the first state in the Northwest Territory? Illinois, Ohio, Michigan, or Indiana?
We did.
Yes.
Ohio.
Our state.
Who could Congress choose to make rules for each new area and where people settled?
Governor, senator, or president? Nicely done. The governor was who could make rules for each new area. The president was more so for the whole country as a nation. The Northwest Ordinance planned a way for land to be made into blank, so towns, cities, countries, or states.
All right. Oh, you got that right.
Perfect.
Good job. Hang in there. We're almost there. When was the Northwest Ordinance written?
1787, 2001, and 1982. You're paying attention during your lesson.
Erin, you're up there now. Good job.
Yeah.
When 5,000 free white males lived in an area making laws, they would then be called a what?
State, colony, or territory?
Killing it.
Perfect.
Portion of the money from the sale of territories would go where? You guys would have learned this on the game that you played.
So parks, education, businesses, or hospitals. Education, nicely done. Okay, almost there. What did the Northwest Ordinance provide its settlers? No slavery, freedom of religion, right to jury trial, or all of the above.
Good job.
Good. It included all of those rights.
Why did members of Congress write the Northwest Ordinance? What was the purpose of it?
And you all got that right. Great. There were no laws regarding the new land.
Right. Last question.
Free people who lived in a territory were given the same rights as Americans under the blank. So is it Constitution, Bill of Rights, or the President? Bill of Rights.
You guys
Nicely
are
done.
awesome.
So
And
Erin came in first.
Good job, Maddie. Good job,
Maddie,
Megan.
Megan, and good job,
Good
Zoe.
job,
So that was just kind of test your knowledge a bit over the past week, see if you remembered everything you had been going over and everything.
I'm very impressed. Actually, there was a huge mix in this test between, this kind of helps us evaluate what assignments everybody did because, I mean, there's questions from your map, there was questions from the game, the guided notes, the lectures, so it makes me happy to see that everybody obviously participated very well in all of those assignments. So
Yeah, and most of you have already done your newspaper article. If you haven't, that's fine, just turn it in by Sunday. But reading over those, we saw a lot of those same facts that you guys drew back from what you learned over the week. So that was really nice to see that you incorporated.
all right, well, that's it for our class today. You guys just did your post-assessment, so you guys don't have to do the Google Forms. That's only for the individuals who did not attend this live session. So just the newspaper article, and we will post our evaluation later tonight. So that's it. Thanks for joining our class. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Great job, guys.
Thanks.
Thanks.